Hi, so I feel pretty good about the paper I wrote. I started off pretty nervous for this project because I had never done a rhetorical analysis before, but I feel like I did pretty well. As for a takeaway, I just want readers to reflect on what the film means to them. It's obviously a pretty heavy subject, but these topics are really important to me, and I just hope that people can gain a better understanding of it. And as the title says, do something about that if you are passionate about it. My peer reviewers had mostly positive things to say. One did say to add more on the, let me find the paragraph, down here, the storytelling paragraph. They said to add more on the credibility point, so add more politicians or the speakers who were talking in the film. So I added politician Cory Booker and author Michelle Alexander, just to really drive that point. And sorry, let me collect my thoughts. I am appreciative of our one-on-one meeting. I did get some helpful feedback from you. You mostly said to just add more examples to really drive all my points home, and you said to add some more commentary, especially in this bottom paragraph here. And I also got some help on my conclusion, connecting it to current events. I think that this paper is honestly some of my best work, but there's, of course, still always something to improve on. So I definitely could have gotten another peer review or something like that to get some ideas on what I can do better. What I like most about this paper is that it's a topic that I'm passionate about. I could talk about this all day, and so I was really happy that 13th was one of the options for us to analyze. So it wasn't difficult for me to watch this film and construct a paper, and I just think I did a pretty good job on this. So, yeah, hope you enjoy. Thank you.